Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Anbiya'i wal Mursaleen. Amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Recite with me. As-salatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulallah. Wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Habiballah. As-salatu wassalamu alayka ya Nabiy Allah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Nur Allah. The benefits of reciting Durood Sharif. Maulana Shah Rukunuddin writes, the one who recites As-salatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulallah 125,000 times during the month of Rabiul Awwal will be blessed with the vision of Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Sallu ala al-Habib. Respected teachers, students and my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. Today, the topic of my speech is Siratun Nabi sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. And I feel blessed to be here and I feel blessed to be an ummati of the personality about which Allah said in the Holy Quran, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ. And we have sent you as the blessing for all the worlds. In explanation of this ayah, we have come to that our Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam is the blessing for not this world but for all the worlds. Now the question is that how our Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam is the blessing for this world and how our Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam is the blessing for the other world. The answer of this world is not only given by the Muslim scholars but also given by the non-Muslims who didn't believe in our Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam, but they could not resist themselves from impressing themselves. The book named as the top 10 most influential person was written by a non-Muslims. But my dear fellows, guess what? He placed Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam at the top of his list. But he was a non-Muslim. Our Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam came and gave rights to the women and the slaves and became supporter of helpless peoples and provided right to everyone. He was the best teacher, father, husband, soldier and strategic peacemaker and a friend. In short, it is totally justifiable to say that our Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam was a complete role model for everyone. A person from any place, any time and any passion of life can seek guidance from our Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam's life. Our Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam is the savior of the mankind. A person from any place, any time and any profession can seek guidance from our Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam's life. But my dear fellows, unfortunately, today Islam has to face propagandas and Muslims are being symbolized as terrorists due to some jihadi groups. But my dear fellows, if we really want to live life according to our Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam's life, then no, our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam always preferred peace on war. He sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam always tried to win people, not the land. He sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam was the best ruler in the world. The world has witnessed at the day of conquest of Makkah. This was only due to our Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam's strategies. My dear fellows, do you know the fact about the conquest of Makkah? Makkah was conquered without shedding a single drop of blood. It was only due to our Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam's strategies and high morals. Furthermore, he sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam warned people by giving them forgiveness to all the people of Makkah. Similarly, the conclusive answer of the second question was our Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam is the blessing for the other hereafter world. In this way, that he will support his true followers at the hard day of judgment when your closely related person will not recognize you. But my dear fellows, if I talk about my whole life, I cannot be able to describe the personality, the seerah and the benefits of our Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. Wa ma alayhi.